Bart changed the women's restroom into a men's restroom. Principal Skinner, completely unaware, walked straight in. Then he used a slingshot to shoot at a beehive. The beehive quickly fell to the ground. The children were terrified and fled frantically. Only Lisa rushed directly over. She used her body to shield the beehive, but she didn't feel any pain at all. Lisa curiously broke open the beehive, only to discover that all the bees had died inside the hive. Willie told Lisa that bees all over the world were dying on a massive scale, but no one had found the cause. Even the bees he kept in his beehives didn't survive. Lisa went home to seek Homer's help, but Homer was delighted to learn that bees were about to go extinct. This way he wouldn't get stung when stealing honey.
Bees means no honey. Synthetic honey, just like you remember. Honey.
Thank you.
Homer was frightened by his own imagined scenario. He brought Lisa to find Professor Frank for help. Professor Frank found a bee's corpse on a flower. After examination, he discovered that all the dead bees had bee urticaria. Now they needed to find bees that hadn't contracted the disease to help them establish a healthy colony. Then the professor took out a bottle of pheromones, wanting to use the pheromones to attract bees.
Marry me, and I'll support you for life.
You're not a bee! This thing is useless.
At this moment, Homer suddenly noticed a bee had landed on Lisa's face. He put on gloves and wanted to swat the bee dead, but was stopped by Professor Frank. This was a healthy queen bee, so they had to capture this bee alive. Lisa carefully pressed down on the stinger with her hand, trapping the queen bee on her face. A large number of bees were attracted by the queen bee, wrapping Lisa into a human beehive. At dinner time, the bees were attracted by the syrup in the meal. Bart was too scared to eat, but Homer swallowed the bees along with his food, then skillfully spit out the stingers.
Don't eat the bees!
They're just drones, Lisa. They only live for like 5 minutes anyway. And they only have haploid cells, not diploid like me and Bart.
Yeah!
Lisa worried that the bees would be eaten to extinction by Homer. Marge suddenly thought of something. There was an abandoned greenhouse outside the city. That place might be suitable for housing these bees. Just when Lisa thought the bees could reproduce peacefully there, a hammer suddenly fell from the sky, directly destroying the greenhouse.
That's it, man. Pave and tar the way God intended.
Mr. Burns, you can't do this!
I can, I shall, and in the future I will have done. I cannot be stopped. Kill his acorns and make him watch.